Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. Today we are going to discuss a tremendous spice which has been used over the centuries as a coloring agent and in various cuisines throughout the world for its healing and health properties. The vibrant yellow color of turmeric comes from a group of elements called curcuminoids. However, the reductionist approach of modern medicine believes that curcumin is the ingredient of turmeric rather than a ingredient of turmeric, as it constitutes up to only 5% by weight of turmeric. Curcumin has been the subject of intense medical scrutiny with over 5,000 publications, with both in vitro as well as in vivo studies on both animals and human models, including randomized controlled trials, for its diverse therapeutic health benefits. However, today we will focus on the antioxidant property of turmeric. The imbalance between free radicals and the body's defense system leads to excessive production of reactive oxygen species, leading to oxidative stress causing chronic diseases. Curcumin reduces oxidative stress by scavenging free radicals, decreasing the production of reactive oxygen species, and boosting antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase, and increasing the levels of antioxidant constituents such as glutathione. The antioxidant properties of curcumin has tremendous health benefits in diseases such as multiple sclerosis, Alzheimer's dementia, and Parkinsonism. When compared to neuropeptides such as nerve growth factor, curcumin and a combination of curcumin and green tea promotes neuronal length and health. By boosting the activity of antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase, curcumin reduces oxidative stress in human liver cells. As you have seen, curcumin has potent bioactivity. Another antioxidant mechanism of curcumin is modulating plasma arylesterase activity and reducing LDL cholesterol oxidation with the potential to reduce coronary artery disease. Curcumin has been studied also in humans. The antioxidant activity of curcumin has been the subject of clinical trials in ulcerative colitis, where it has successfully induced as well as maintained remission in these patients. Additionally, turmeric has been studied extensively in randomized trials in the treatment of joint arthritis, and multiple meta-analyses and reviews have shown that there is a statistically significant reduction in the pain score in patients treated with turmeric compared to placebo. In this forest plot shown on the graph, pay attention to the black diamond, which is clearly on the left, showing that turmeric is statistically significantly better compared to placebo in the alleviation of pain in patients suffering from joint discomfort and arthritis. So make your life spicier starting today and add a dash of turmeric to your life to enjoy true health and happiness. Thank you again for watching, and visit us and start your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you very much.